Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Greetings from College Dunya. I would like to inform our viewers that Professor Nidhi Sharma is an assistant professor and course coordinator of biomedical section at School of Biotechnology and Bioinformatics, D.Y. Patil University, Navi Mumbai. She has been associated with the department for past 10 years. She has done her masters in biomedical engineering from IIT BHU, and we are truly delighted to have her on our leadership series, Thoughtful Leaders. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, can you
Thanks
tell
for
us
the.
So, can you tell us about the programs that are offered by your institute and how it helps the student to stand apart from the crowd?
So, Tejas, we are offering BTech in Biomedical Engineering, which is a 4-year course. And this course is a very close reflection of professional world. Why I am saying this is because it's a very good balance of technical knowledge transfer through certain courses and a good mix of courses which are professionally oriented and give a flavor of the upcoming technologies in the industries which are latest. So that gives a very good edge to students to understand what is the next upcoming thing in the industry. And apart from this, the college provides a very nurturing environment, holistic approach for the student to develop in different aspects also, like extracurricular, and then they are nurtured based on their skills, talents, abilities, and expertise, and they have multiple dimensions to grow. So that is where the college plays a very important role in your life, that it directs you in the field where your real potential lies.
That's really great to know, ma'am. Can you tell us about the emerging areas in the field of biomedical engineering?
So if you see in the prevalent condition where we are going under COVID-19 situation, the first and foremost thing came up that what are the measures which we are going to take and how we are going to uplift hospitals and instruments and devices which we require. So there is a lot of scope in the medical device industry, and with 2017 medical regulatory affairs with which government of India has introduced, gives a lot of scope for biomedical engineers to grow. And in that aspect, medical devices designing, regulatory affairs, 3D printing technology for biomedical. Then you have tactile technology also coming up with biomedical. So that tactile technology is something which is very upcoming in the field. So data analysis or data science, which is a very buzzword nowadays. Everyone is like, data analysis is there. So data analysis part also comes, app development also comes with biomedical. So if you're knowing the field, you can very closely design or program things which are related to healthcare and biomedical. These are the some of the areas. There's a huge list to count for. I've not listed those which are very familiar to everyone, but those which are very new to this field.
That's really good to know, ma'am. Ma'am, when you came to the college, what was your vision and how you are trying to achieve the same?
I joined the department 10 years back and I graduated in 2008. And the premier institute which I passed from, that is IIT BHU, gave me a very deeper and wider aspect and understanding of the subject. And I understood that this particular field is something which comprises of all the other domains of engineering, and the boundaries are really merging together to develop something. And then I worked 1 year with another organization, which is also a very reputed organization in Madhya Pradesh, and where I realized that I need to work somewhere where we are closely related to clinical environment. And with D.Y. Patil University having its own hospital and research center, it was a great opportunity to work here at the intersection of medicine and engineering and biotechnology. So that gave a very uh, balanced and good mix of everything which a biomedical engineer requires.
That's really great to know, ma'am. Ma'am, how do you strategize the curriculum and how often it gets updated?
Curriculum designing, implementation, evaluation is a very what you say thorough process. It's a very planned process which is done, and in our institute, curriculum designing is done uh, every 5 years, where major revision of the curriculum happens, and a minor revision happens in 2 years. And this is done in consideration what is the industry trend, what are the views of the stakeholders, what is the demand in the market for a particular kind of expertise which they are looking from the student. So holistically, we see where the market is driving, where the requirements are going to come, and accordingly we upgrade our syllabus and curriculum based on these inputs from the stakeholders.
That's really nice to know, ma'am. Ma'am, what are the benefits and career options after pursuing this course?
So as I told you, biomedical engineering is a very, very wide field which covers almost everything. If you name that particular technical branch, it will come under this particular area. So as of now, if you tell me that what are the scope, there are endless scopes which are there. And to name a few, if you want to really convert it in terms of jobs, there can be jobs for medical equipment design, medical diagnostics, uh, then management, data management, and biomedical scientists, data scientists, and attorneys which look for the IPR of the new medical industry. Bring to this particular thing, I want to add that in 2017, Government of India introduced medical device regulation, which was not earlier. So medical devices used to come under drugs category in India. So the drugs and cosmetic rules were applicable. But seeing the expanding industry of biomedical devices in India, introduced a rule in 2017 that is called MDR 2017. And past 5 years, there are almost 250 medtech startups which has come up in India. So that is how the pace of the industry or the biomedical industry is growing in India, and it is approximated $50 billion industry in another 5 years. So if you see in that aspect, the manpower requirement is going to really be high in this field. If you see in another 5 to 10 years, and with the COVID situation going on, everyone has understood that how important is a ventilator and an oximeter is. We were earlier importing everything, and now we are in a place that we'll be soon exporting things out of India. Sorry.
Rightly said, ma'am. Ma'am, at last, what would be your suggestion or message to the students who are aspiring to join your institute?
So my field is a very exciting and challenging field where we look for challenges which people face across different strata of life. We are improving our healthcare system which are there in the rural areas, and there is a large scope of diversification in the medical field itself. If you are keen and curious about solving problems, improving the healthcare structure in India, biomedical is the field, and please join us to go for a broader and more prospective aims in your life.
Rightly said, ma'am. Ma'am, this discussion was really insightful. I'm sure viewers will learn a lot from it. Thank you for your time, ma'am.
Thank you so much.